Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. We got a 2014 Kia Sorento. Customer's complaint is the brake lights are always on. Not when she shut the car off, but only when she put the key in the on position. Brake lights are on when the parking lights are on. So, if you got the same issue, stay tuned because that's what we're going to be fixing today on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
Hi, Spiker 4440 here. Welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Yeah.
Alright guys, we're in the back of the vehicle, and what I'm going to do is go in and put the parking lights on, and let's see what she's talking about. Alright everybody, I just cut the lights on. I had to put the key in the on position, and if we notice, I see lights are on, and it's kind of bright out here, so I can't really tell whether it's the parking lights or the brake lights. But I just noticed our third brake light is on. So, and that only comes on when you step on the brakes. So these are definitely brakes. Now over here, I see two lights on. And over here, I see the center one. This one's on, but this one is not. So already we got an issue over here. So before, maybe there's a short in here now. I don't know. What we need to do is check that out. So what we're gonna do here is open up the hatch. Now how we gonna get to this bulb here? All right, looks like we got two 4-way or Phillips screws right here. So let's get us a screwdriver. Let's take those out and see if this light will come out. We'll be right back. All right, get your 4-way screwdriver or Phillips screwdriver. I'm using my cordless drill right here, and I got an adapter in here with the bit on it for a Phillips screw. Go in here, take these screws out. The light moves. Okay. Oops, that's pretty simple. Wow, this thing's got a whole plug on it and everything. All right, from looking at it, this one is a signal light for the signaling hazards. So we're looking at this top bulb right here. So
Wouldn't that be the reverse too?
No, the reverse is on the hatch.
Oh, okay.
This one's because if you're looking there, the bulb is orange or amber, they call it. You see that?
I got it.
Start.
Because it was white, so it made me think of reverse.
Yeah. All right, so what we're gonna do here, here's a plug. Let's turn this counterclockwise. Pop a little bit, take it out. Huh. Honestly, guys, I don't know. That bulb don't look too bad. Oh, whoa, look at that plug, though. That thing is burnt down there. Let's take this bulb out. Now, to take the bulb out on these, you want to push the bulb down and twist it just a little bit. Because right now, you try to turn it, untwist it, you're not going to be able to. So you got to push that bulb down, then twist it a little bit, and it'll pop right out. Let's look inside. Look inside. Yeah, wow, look at that. Because this bulb looks good. So we definitely got a little issue going on here, and that definitely can cause what's going on. But what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna get us a little skinny screwdriver. I'm gonna scrape that little contact off in there, bring them pins up, pry them pins up to make it better contact with the bulb, and we're gonna see if that will work. What I did, let's unplug this so this thing don't hang by the wire. What we're gonna do is this little tab right here. I'm gonna push that tab down, unplug it. Dang it. Unplug it. Put that back up here like that. So we can go and work with this. All right. So let's try to, and because our bulb, even though our bulb looks a little brownish on the top, if you look inside, you'll see the filaments are intact. So that's a good indication that the bulb is still good. All right, so let's get us a little screwdriver. We're gonna see if we can clean that up. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we got two flat screwdrivers here. And what I'm gonna do here is reach in there and I'm gonna, dang, this thing, try to clean that up. Yeah, I did clean it off. It is coming off. Clean that one off. And I wanna clean that one off as much as I can. And then what I'm going to do is bring these tabs and bring them upward so they can definitely be making good contact with the bulb. Now let's get our bulb and put our bulb back in. Now when you're dealing with these bulbs with two filaments, you're going to notice the tabs on each end, one is low and one is high. When you're dealing with one filament, like a reverse light bulb, both of them are going to be on the same size.
Same level?
Same level, yeah. So then we look inside the connector, and we're going to notice, like, right, the bulb sets right inside there, so that one's up here, and the other one is further down. So we know the one at the highest point is going to go right here, just like that. You're going to push down and twist, just like that. All right, now, let's get this plugged up. And what we're gonna do here
Can we
is
just stand it and it'll stay or no?
well, it don't matter as long as we can see this bulb right here is my my thing. All right, so I'm gonna cut the headlights. I'm gonna cut the parking lights on, and we're gonna. Well, wait a minute. That does look kind of crooked, don't it? In there, you know, the lower one looks like. See, the top one looks like it's going straight across.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you know what, guys? We're gonna get us a new. This is a 2357. Let's get us a new bulb, and then we're gonna put the lights on, and we're gonna check that out. We'll be right back. All right, guys. I don't got the exact bulb, but I do have an amber one, and you got to make sure that now, even though where they put in at the pins right there line up, you got to make sure the pins down here, the contacts will line up. For instance, let's take this one and line up, put it right there, straight up and down, and let's get the other one straight up and down. And you see how the contacts line up? Now we got another bulb over here. It's got the same thing, looks like two pins and all that. But if we take the pins and line them up, look at that. It's off. So you got to make sure that's lined up. So we're going to take this amber one, and we're going to put this amber one in there. And
since the lens is red, it don't matter, right?
no, but it might not be as bright as the other one. But we're not gonna. We're definitely gonna put the right one in there. All right, let's turn the lights on and see what's going on. Okay, it came on, and so that's a good thing. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna step on the. Matter of fact, let's see if and that one's on. Let's see if, and look at that, guys. Check that out. Our brake lights are not on right now. So let me step on the brakes, and we're gonna see if this one gets bright. Ready?
Yep. Yep. It got brighter.
Okay, now what we're gonna do is lower this down, and what I'm gonna do is step on the brakes, and we're gonna make sure our third brake light lights up. Also, once that lights up, this outer one should light up as well, along with this one down here. Everything good?
Yep, the third brake light came on. Yeah.
And the other ones got brighter?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are 100% sure now our issue is this bulb right here. So let's get us a new bulb.
So the brake lights were acting all funky just because the bulb was out?
Right, because it must have shorted along the lines in there, some of the contacts, and caused everything
Oh,
Come on,
okay.
interesting, isn't it? All right, let's get us a new bulb, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, let's get this disconnected.
Hey, can we try the old bulb, see if it worked? Because you said it didn't look that bad.
No.
But you cleaned the pin, so I think the issue wasn't the bulb, it was the socket.
It's the bulb. All right, let's go get us a.
Can we try it?
No, let's go get
Can
us
we
a bulb.
try it?
I gotta go get a bulb. Let's go get a
Can we
bulb.
try it?
No, I
Can
don't
we
want.
try it?
No, you're making me look bad on
Can
video.
we try
no,
it?
No.
Can we try it?
You're making me fine, fine. Here's the bulb. I'm gonna line this up. And
Oh!
yeah.
Go
What
step
about
on
it?
the brakes.
But
Go step on the
how
brakes.
you know the brake light ain't on up there though?
Okay, bring it down.
Okay, the brake light is on.
The brake light's not on. Go step on the brakes.
All right, I stepped on it.
You did not.
I stepped on the brakes.
Step on the brakes. Yeah. So the issue was not the bulb, was the socket. Is that what that thing's called?
Yeah.
Whatever it's called.
Okay, so let's look at this now. What if now I clean that up? So how we know that's not gonna happen again?
It will happen again. It's all burnt. They need a new one.
Now it doesn't look like they have to replace the whole tail light assembly.
Maybe.
No, but what about if they sell just this little harness right here?
So that's the
And
thing.
because it connects right here and all
But
that.
that would be cheap. So you know they're not going to sell just that.
Okay, we're gonna find out. We're gonna look it
Find
up.
out.
We got a Kia website we can look up.
I think so.
All right, we're gonna look this up, and in the meantime, while she's looking that up, I'm gonna be cleaning this up more, and we'll be right back to let you know what we found.
Okay, so today we had a 2014 Kia Sorento, and the issue was that the brake lights are on all the time. So it did a little investigating, and we found that one of the brake light bulbs or tail light bulbs were out.
But you said it wasn't the bulb.
But let me finish my sentence.
Okay.
So then we removed the tail light, and we found that one of the tail light sockets was pretty much burnt. So cleaned it all out, put the bulb back in, and it worked just fine. So it's kind of weird that that's how Kia decided to go about it, if you think about it, right? If we're gonna make it that if the bulb goes out, the light always on.
It's Kia. Yeah.
I don't know. Anyway, so you can get just the wiring harness that'll come with the sockets. You get it from the dealership. It's like $40. It's very cheap. So we're gonna tell the customer that's what they need. That's what they gotta get done. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.